Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set any song as iPhone ringtone. Now first up, the app that you need to use for this to work is GarageBand. Now most iPhones have this downloaded or pre-installed by default, but if you don't, then it's probably because you deleted it or any particular reason. Now don't worry if that happens, you can freely download it on the App Store. And once you have it, we're just going to open GarageBand. And then here, you should be able to see a specific menu, which we're gonna get into in a minute. Right here. So this is the menu that you're supposed to see upon opening it for the first time, and just look for the audio recorder section. This is where we're gonna edit our ringtone. Now here, just make sure that the metronome icon is enabled right here. It should be on the gray color instead of the blue one. And then tap on this brick icon to show you the timeline. And then tap on this gear icon. Or actually, no, the plus icon, this small plus icon. We're going to use this to edit this particular section. Make sure automatic is disabled. And for this manual section, we're just going to adjust it to 30. And this will reflect on our timeline. So I'm just going to navigate away from this small window. And as you can see, it adjusted our timeline. So once our GarageBand is set and ready to go, you can just upload the audio file or MP3 file that you wish to use for your ringtone. And you can get this from your computer, another device, another phone, or even third-party apps. But one thing you can also do is to download or upload the MP3 file or audio file into your Google Drive, and then access your Google Drive on your iPhone so you can download that audio file and save it to your files. Now, I actually already have that available in my files. So what I'm going to do now is upload the audio file. You can do that by tapping on this loop icon right beside the gear icon. And then here, just select files. And as you can see, it's available right here. But you can access it by tapping on browse items from the files app. And you should be able to see the audio file in your files as long as you downloaded it from Google Drive and saved it to your files. All right. Now, once you select it, you'll be able to see it here. And then we're just going to tap and hold the file and drag it into our timeline. Now, I believe the limit for a ringtone is around 30 seconds. So we need to adjust the audio a bit. So let's put it around 5 maybe. That should be safe. And then once you're done adjusting and editing the audio file, you can just tap on this directional button that points downward and then tap on My Songs. And then it will be saved under GarageBand Recents. Now I'm just going to wait for this to process. And then right here, you can just tap and hold the file. And you can rename it so that you can access it or identify it quicker. But what you need to do is to tap on Share and then select ringtone. And here you can also rename the ringtone. But after you're done renaming it, you can just go ahead and export. All right, so ringtone export successful. Now we're just going to check it in our settings. So head to your settings. I'm just going to go ahead and do this shortcut. Go to ringtone. And then as you can see, you can select My Song, which is the one we edited on GarageBand. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.